Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I have a quick to share with you. What does the normally say shall never and see. A lot is happening right now. You don't need to miss it. This is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst. In this platform we bring it to you back to back, and there is every reason why you need to share our videos. Oh my goodness, today another great Okporoge update is here from the legal representative Tomazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is the person of barrister Aloy Ejemako. You guys know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu last court hearing, which is 24th of September 2024. You guys know that what happened? The justice handling the case resigned. Justice Binta. She resigned because she know that she can't handle this situation anymore. Nevertheless, the legal personnel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just cried out and passed a great message to the world. I don't really want to talk too much, and I still want to tell you how Biafran reacts when they heard this message. So sit back, watch this video, listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This video is being made from the premises of the DSS in Abuja. You all know who I am. My name is Aloy Ejemako. I'm the special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. On my right is Barrister MNK LAWYER. Behind me is Barrister Patrick Ageze, who came from Enugu, and to my left is Barrister Mandela Umeborok. All of us, all four of us, came to the premises of DSS to meet with our client today to discuss what happened in court on 24th on the way forward on his case. But we were not allowed by the DSS to meet with our client. We came by few minutes to 2 p.m. Until now that I'm speaking to you, which is some minutes to 5 p.m., we have not been allowed to meet with our client. So we're just about to leave, and we have our suspicions. Our suspicion, which is credible, is that the DSS and the federal government of Nigeria, they are not happy that our client requested the judge handling this matter to withdraw from handling the case. If not this reason, what other reason could explain this unconstitutional behavior of preventing lawyers from meeting with their clients who is under trial? So we need the world to know that this thing furthers what the government of the day or the DSS has been doing, that actually complicated the trial of this case, that culminated in our client being frustrated and losing confidence in the judge who was handling this case, and which resulted on 24th September in our client requesting the judge to withdraw. So we decided to make this video to inform the world about what is happening, and we are going to back it up with a press statement, another press statement later. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. This is exactly 8 p.m. Exactly 8 p.m. I'm just coming from my house now. I'm from DSSS now. You can see that today is the 26th day of September 2024. Now we wrote to the DSSS. That's what we normally do, to notify them, the people that will be coming to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the letter. The people that will coming to visit Nnamdi Kanu. We wrote to them yesterday that we are coming today. That is the normal procedure. But since we finished court on the 24th, these people, where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told Honorable Justice Binta, based on the reasons which you have established, based on the obvious facts which you have established, that you are not impartial in this matter, you are on the side of government, he will never get trial in your court and ask you to recuse yourself, which Binta hands off the matter. But since then, we discovered that the DSSS and federal government of Nigeria are not happy that Binta hands off that matter. And they have, since that 24th up to now, they refused us access Now you can see the people that are supposed to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. That's Aloy Ejimako, Nnemeka Ejiofor, Patrick Agazie, Maxwell Opra, and Mandela Umeguro. These are the 5 lawyers that are supposed to go and see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. We wrote them a letter as usual. When they are Nigerians, they refused us access to Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know whether they have killed him. Because if somebody who is facing a criminal trial cannot have access to his lawyers, then people should ask questions. I'm making this video here in my house to tell you people that we are unable to see Nnamdi Kanu. That is the position now. Federal government have decided to not to comply with the court order. Remember that this is what we have been complaining, because the letter we wrote here, it said, pursuant to order of court entered on the 20th May 2024 by Honorable Justice Binta Nyako. This is to notify you that on Friday, 27th September 2024, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be visited by the following persons. Look at it. We wrote them this letter, but they flattered it. So that is to notify you.
As I said before, some of the Biafran people, they did not find it likely with Barrister Aloy Ejimako. They say that his speech, they don't want it. They don't even want to hear anything about that he needs to try his best to make sure the needful is done to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. On Atisena, so easy. Here is what someone said. I read the lines. I am interested where you said, if ever you will see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again. I am very disappointed for such comments. Comes from you who should know better. Are you telling the public that for them to do what? What is your job? Your job is to mount pressure and take lawful actions to compel them to let his lawyer to see him. Ejimako, you are a suspect. Can you imagine this? So another person said the judge, Justice Binta Nyako, and the federal government were completely embarrassed and humiliated by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in his last court appearance. Probably that's the reason they are behaving drunk now. Notwithstanding, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has diminished them in their own court, and victory is not far again. And another person said, I don't know another person has sacrificed too much on this case, more than the lawyers, especially the lead lawyer, Barrister Aloy Ejimako and team. Know what they are saying as regard the case. Let's all be calm and support them through whichever means to the glory of Almighty God. While some said, I really don't understand how a legal practitioner will sound like this. Did you read your lines before posting it? You don't know if ever you will see your client again. Shoo, it sounds suspicious. See, you know when they are playing football, people that are watching the match, they will start shouting, a goal, a goal. Oh, that guy would have scored. This guy would have scored. But if you appear before them and start playing in a football team, you will know that it's not easy to score. You will just sit down and be shouting a goal wherever you are, thinking that is how it's easy to score until you find yourself there. Now, Barrister Aloy Ejimako is working hard according to his capacity. A lot of people are saying he's not trying. May you put body there if you will be able to do something. Anyways, somebody that comment and said, it is time to take action. Which other action do you think that will be necessary to take at this moment? Because we all know that the only person that is taking action, that is doing some kind of things, that is Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, that is trying to like man up with this sit at home and so many others. You know, they said he's working with the federal government of Nigeria, of which they are not sure because there's no evidence to back them up. He's the only person that is doing all those things, and people are saying he's working with the federal government of Nigeria. So which other way, which other action are they saying they want to mount on the DSS or the federal government of Nigeria that will be up to what the Biafra Prime Minister has been doing according to his own capacity also. So my beloved family, actually let me bring this update here because this is what is trending and this is what is happening. There is a reason why Progress the Analyst is here for you. I give you all the Okporo game you see. You just need to drop your comment because you know I am always in the comment section with you. Drop your opinion. What do you think? Do you think that the DSS blocking the way is because of what happened in the last court appearance of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, just like what the lawyers have said? Or do you think that they are saying enough is enough? They are not going to give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu any breathing space for him to be speaking so boldly, even when he did under their care. My people, there is a reason you need to subscribe. Thank you so much as I keep giving you all the updates from me to you from here. I said bye.